This is a video that you do not want to miss. In this video, we'll be going over the top stocks that we are watching for the month of November. We got a very nice option play. We got a lot of shares play, especially for small accounts. Even if your account is under $500, under $200, we got a play for you, especially on shares. This is a video that you do not want to miss. Subscribe with notifications on, and make sure to go to sundaystocktalk.com to get a free newsletter, and you guys can sign up to the premium version with a free trial because there's a exclusive video and exclusive play. So make sure to sign up for the free trial on sundaystocktalk.com, where you can get emails right into your mailbox. Rumble, YouTube, Instagram, X, and let's get started. The first thing that we are taking a look at is the economic calendar. So we have Fed Chair Powell speaking on Wednesday and Thursday. Again, he controls the monetary policy. He controls inflation. He controls what happens with the money printer. And whenever he speaks, we are watching. We are watching what he has to say. And when he does say stuff, the market does react. We either have a huge spike to the upside, to the downside. So if you're going to be holding any options, weekly options, or you're doing day trading, just be aware of these catalysts on Wednesday and Thursday. And then next week, on Tuesday and Wednesday, we have the inflation numbers, which is going to be huge. Now, on top of that, we have November and December, which is historically bullish for the market. November and December are historically bullish because we have economic activity. We have the holidays, we have higher spending, more consumer confidence. So typically the market is very bullish. So that is what we are taking a look at. However, overall bias for the market is bullish. So let's take a look at the SPY. Okay, the SPY is looking bullish. Taking a look at the weekly and the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have this level of resistance, and we are in this downtrend. So we are in a overall downtrend, and we actually closed above the level of resistance. So for us to be bullish, we need to hold this level of support. If we come back down below, this is going to be bearish. So we are bearish below 432. We do not want to be below this level because then we have more room to the downside, and that psychologically is not good. So we need to hold the level of 434. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Okay, again, just it's all simple psychology. We are breaking the downtrend, and if we are breaking a downtrend, then we have more room to the upside at $460, which is going to be our price target for the month of November and December to New Year's and 2024. So 460 is going to be our main price target for the SPY. Now QQQ, which is the tech ETF, looks even more bullish. We have a very nice cup and handle setup with a falling wedge. Take a look at the setup. One thing that I'm watching is tech stocks for the month of November. Tech stocks like Apple, Tesla, PayPal, fintech like Roku, Block. A lot of these stocks are going to be looking very, very good. High risk growth stocks are going to be looking good for the month of November. We're taking a look at tech with this cup and handle. So we have this very nice cup, and then we have this handle, and we have this falling wedge. So again, psychologically, this is looking bullish. We have this massive level of resistance, which is our price target. 391 is our golden price target. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Just like SPY, we are in this downtrend, and we need to hold this level because, again, it's going to look very bad and very ugly if we do not hold this level. If we do not hold this level on SPY and QQQ, we are going to be bearish to the downside. So the same thing, okay? If you're on calls, if you're on shares, we need to hold this level. And once you start seeing us coming back down, that is not going to look good. So we need to hold this level, consolidate a little bit over here, and then we have more room to the upside. So let's take a look at the daily, and let's take a look at a little bit of the RSI. So the RSI is a little bit high. So the RSI tells us if a stock is overbought or oversold. So we can expect some consolidation just like here. where we had some consolidation before we go higher. So that is what I am going with right now. The bias is bullish, but maybe we need some consolidation for a week before we head higher. So next play we have is on Apple, which is a very nice options play. So this is my #1 play for options for the month of November. This looks like the best and perfect options play for November because, first of all, it's Apple. Okay, if we have a falling wedge setup on Apple, everyone watches this stock. You guys know about, me and Apple. I have a very long history with Apple. This is my favorite stock when it comes to trading because it never really fails. So we have November coming up, we have December coming up, we have this massive level of support, we have this falling wedge. QQQ has that cup and handle, so the market bias is looking good, and Apple is looking golden A+. So we have this critical level. So we're buying in at the support. This was a previous level of resistance, but now this is the support. So this is going to be our level to buy in, and then we have a breakout on the daily time frame. So once we take a look at the daily time frame, we could see that we have this very nice falling wedge breakout. So we are breaking the downtrend right here, and just like QQQ, just like SPY, this is a golden setup. The opportunities that we have on November and December are looking incredible. So 1 month out call option play. Okay, we're talking about a whole month for Apple, or even you can add another month, so 2 months. So 2 months expiration, we can ride this to the upside. Okay, we can ride this to the upside. First price target 181, and then 189, and then 197 and 200. But Apple is looking the best and perfect play for call options if you're looking to play options this month. Next play we have is on Tesla. So Tesla is looking decent, not the best setup, but since it's kind of a blue chip like Apple, this is up on my list, especially if you're looking to buy Tesla long term and you believe in the company and their vision. So we have Tesla, which is at this level of support, okay, at this critical level of support. Really nothing crazy. I'm personally not even going to trade Tesla because I would rather trade Apple as well as PayPal and Macy's, which are on my other list. But this is just something that I'm watching. Now, this can also be, a great options play. A little bit expensive for options, but we do have this gap to the upside. So we can fill this gap potentially. We have this descending triangle on the weekly and daily time frame, so where we can play the bounce, ride it up to 258 to the level of resistance. So Tesla is looking good. Next two plays, PayPal and Macy's. I made a whole video on PayPal, so make sure to check that out. But very simple. Falling wedge, we're at a yearly low. It is looking incredible for shares, and our risk to reward is looking very nice. I'm seeing an easy 100% gainer. Make sure to watch the full video on PayPal. I'm not going to go over all of that, but I'm going to be entering in shares tomorrow right at market open, around 200 shares. So I'm going to be putting around $1,000 in PayPal stock. Next we have Macy's. Again, we are already in Macy's. Make sure to watch the video on Macy's, but what I want to go over is this week it is going to be very important on how we close for Macy's stock. We need to close above the $13 level on the weekly time frame. So we need to close above, I would say, around $14, because that will signify and kind of show us that we have broken the trend on the weekly and daily time frame. Now the RSI does look dangerous, where we are getting overbought, so that is my only concern with Macy's stock. We also have a nice gap to the upside. We're up over 5% on shares, but pretty much we're going to be holding on into Macy's. So I just want to do a quick update on Roblox. So we had Roblox shares. I haven't sold any yet, but we bought in shares at $27. Right at the bottom, and we are up over 26%, 25%, 30% on Roblox stock. Now the thing with Roblox is we do have earnings coming up, and earnings are this week on Wednesday 8th. So I do want to sell out of my position on Roblox because of the earnings. I'm also tempted to hold through earnings, so what I might do is sell 50% of my position of Roblox stock and hold the other 50% for Roblox. But this is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of great plays, a lot of great opportunities. As always, go to SundayStockTalk.com. I do have another play, and the video is if you do sign up to the premium version or just do a free trial, you guys can get another very nice play on SundayStockTalk.com. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and what stocks you guys are watching. Macy's and PayPal are my favorite ones for this month. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Take care and see you guys later this week.